Hey guys, Miss McKinney here. I hope everything's going well. I haven't seen y'all in forever. Today I wanted to go over a quick lesson on how to use the triangles with the formulas for your week 3 lessons. All right? First up is force equals mass times acceleration. It's like that. Sorry, I ran out of room on the end over here. So remember to set your triangle up. You draw the triangle, and then in the middle it's multiplying, and there it's going to be dividing. To remember this is if the letters are next to each other, then in the triangle they're going to go next to each other right there. You can see mass and acceleration are next to each other in the formula, so mass and acceleration are next to each other in the formula chart. It does not matter which side you put the M or the A on, they both go on the bottom. Just fill in the last letter on top, which in this case is F for force. That's how it works. If you have a question such as what is the acceleration of an object that is 10 kilograms and pushed with a force of 5 newtons, okay? So set it up like this. Now, to find the answer, you are going to cover the one you're looking for. In this case, it asks for acceleration. So we are going to cover up the A with our finger, which now shows us that the formula for acceleration is force divided by mass. Remember, what's on top is always what you're going to put in your calculator first. So since force is 5, to find acceleration, it's going to be 5 divided by 10. You have to make sure you keep that straight. It's not flipped around. Sometimes the smaller number is going to be on top, so you need to make sure that you pay attention to that when you do the calculator. So 5 divided by 10 is going to be 0.5, so the acceleration would be 0.5 meters per second squared. Questions that y'all are going to answer are the ones on speed, distance, and time. The formula is speed equals distance divided by time. So you're going to set it up again just like this with your triangle at the bottom or on the side. This one, to set it up, over here you have distance over time. So on the triangle, distance is going to go on the top and time is on the bottom, and then you just fill in what is ever left right here, which would be S for speed. All the problems, you do it the exact same way as we did for the force, mass, acceleration one. Whatever it's looking for, you just cover it up, and then that gives you the formula for you to use. If you're looking for speed, it's going to be distance divided by time. If you're looking for distance, it's going to be speed times time. Y'all out with doing the equations. If you have any questions, you know where to reach us. Bye.